Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana, and today I'm here inside Horton's newest community, the Heartland Bay. This is located in North Las Vegas inside Elkhorn Grove, and today we are going to feature this model home, two-story home. The 1795 plan. This home starts price is $427,990, and it features 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And let's tour the house together, you guys. So welcome to the 1795 plan. Right here by the door, you will see the video doorbell and the smart deadlock bolt. As soon as you get in, you will be greeted with this open layout area. On your right, you will see the stairs going to the second floor. As you see here, it features this luxury vinyl plank. On the right side, you will see the powder room for the guest. And right here, you guys, this is your open layout area. I love how they stage the whole place. This is your living room right here. The kitchen area, the modern kitchen. And as far as the appliances, everything that you see here is included. The refrigerator, the stove, the microwave. Love this island in the middle, the dishwasher over here, this side. Love the countertops. This is your dining area, you guys. And now I'm going to show you Okay, this is the pantry area, you guys. Tons of shelvings, perfect for storing your food supplies. And right here, there is a storage room. And also there's a smart paneling inside. Here, and this side is the 2-car garage, but they use it as an office right now. I love that they extended the counter on this side right here. Okay, you guys, before we get to the second floor, I'm going to show you your backyard. So this is your backyard. Normally, when you get the house, it's not landscape. This is just to show you guys how the area looks like in this model home. But this is a pretty good space for entertaining. And now let's go to the second floor and check the rest of the house. Again, this 1795 plan priced at $427,990. This is a gated community, you guys, with a park. And right here, this is your laundry room. Washer and dryer is included. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you the primary bedroom. This is a nice space. And this is the primary bathroom right here. It features this 2 vanities, his and hers vanity. Right here is the walk-in closet. Tons of space over here. And this side is your walk-in shower. And in here is your private water closet. Okay, you guys, pretty much this primary bedroom is very spacious. Tons of space. Now let's go check the rest of the bedroom on the other side. On the left side right here, this is the first secondary bedroom. It's a nice size, that big window. You can see your community. There's also a standard closet inside the room. And right here, you guys, outside there is a linen closet. And next to it, there's another bedroom. Right here is also a decent size with that big open window and a standard closet inside. Okay, right outside, you guys, there is a shared bathroom with a tub and shower combo and a single vanity. And then straight ahead, this is the last secondary bedroom. It's also a decent size here with that big open window and a standard closet inside the room. Again, you guys, this is the 1795 plan, 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And the HOA on this community is $160 per month. This is gated. There is a park inside, and this is near the Aliante Casino, and there's plenty of amenities when you live in this neighborhood. There is a Walmart Super Center, Costco, and tons of nice school around the area. So if you are interested of owning one of these home from DR Horton and Heartland Bay, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video, and thank you for watching.